Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue to your favorite French class, Friendship with Sim. Today we're going to learn something very exciting that will help you converse with someone, or basically I would say express your opinions in French. Today we're going to learn how to express your feelings in French. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. If you're having a conversation and you want to express your opinion and you want to say, in my opinion, how would you say that in French? You would say, à mon avis. À mon avis. That means, in my opinion. And if you want to say, and my point, like my point of view, you can say that in French by saying, d'après moi. D'après moi. If you want to say, that at least that's my opinion, how would you say that in French? You would say, c'est du moi mon opinion. C'est du moi mon opinion. This sentence, this phrase you will use when you want to say, I don't know about the rest, but at least this is my opinion. If you want to say, as far as I am concerned, how would you say that in French? You would say, en ce qui me concerne. En ce qui me concerne, which means as far as I am concerned. And if you want to say it is certain or it is certain that, then you would say it as il est certain que. This means it is certain that, and then you can continue with your sentence. If you want to say it is very clear or it is clear that, you can say it as il est clair que, or you can also use the sentence c'est clair que. This means it's clear that. This is another phrase that you can use to express your opinion. And if you want to say it is evident that, then you can say that in French by using il est évident que or c'est évident que. These phrases will help you make your opinion more stronger in French. If you want to say it's impossible that, but how would you say that in French? I'll tell you. You would say il est impossible que, or you can also say it as c'est impossible que. This phrase you can use when you're like, it is impossible that this can happen. C'est impossible que or il est impossible que. Similarly, if you want to say that is possible, it is possible that, how would you say that in French? It's simple. Just like you said impossible, you would say possible. You would say il est possible que, and you can also say it as c'est possible que. You need to see how you would use these words how these words would fit in a sentence in the context. If you want to say it's fair that, how would you say that in French? You would say il est juste que, or you can also say it as c'est juste que. If you want to say it is sure that, how would you say that? You would say il est sûr que or c'est sûr que in French. While expressing your opinions, you have to keep one thing in mind. You have to see what context are you using in the phrases in, because the context will decide which form you would be using your phrases in. So make sure to understand the context of the sentence of the conversation and then move forward with using your sentences. Félicitations! We are through with useful phrases that you can use to express your feelings in French. I hope this lesson was useful to you. If yes, don't forget to like this video, throw a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are updated with every new video that comes in. You can also tell your suggestions in the comment section below that what new topics you would want to see videos on, or if there's any topic that you want to have clarity on, I would definitely cater to that. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Friendship with Sim. Over there is everyday content about French and that will help you keep in touch with the language. And I will see you in the next video. Au revoir!